Amritsar is home to the spectacular Golden Temple, Sikhism's holiest shrine, and one of the India's most serene and humbling sights. Amritsar is one of the India's most deeply spiritual cities. There's nothing quite like strolling around and listening structure and sitting down for a communal meal from the temple's massive volunteer-run kitchen with dozens of other visitors. So if you are planning for a short trip to Amritsar, then you have come to the right place. Today in this video, I will be guiding you with 2-night 3 days tour plan for Amritsar along with flight and train details, hotel details, tourist spots, COVID-19 protocols, day-wise tour plan, total cost and cost breakup. So don't skip any part and watch till end. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to get notification. You can reach Amritsar from any part of the country by both flight and train. By flight, you have to reach Sri Guru Ram Das Ji International Airport. Flight fare ranges between 7,000 rupees for both sides per person. By train, you can reach Amritsar railway station. Now coming to day-wise tour plan. Day 1. On arrival at Amritsar, check into your hotel and go out for famous tourist places of Amritsar. Start with the Golden Temple, which is also known as Sri Harmandir Sahib. Located right in the heart of Amritsar, the spiritual focus is the tank, the Amrit Sarovar. Then go to visit the Wagah border, located 28 km from Amritsar. The Wagah border marks the boundaries between India and Pakistani borders, running along the Grand Trunk Road. Then visit Jallianwala Bagh, a public garden that houses a memorial of national importance that was established by government. Then visit the Partition Museum, the first ever museum in the entire world to focus on the stories of the ruthless partition. Then go to Maharaja Ranjit Singh Museum. Here you can experience royal heritage arms and armor. By evening, you can go to explore the food market of Amritsar. You can taste the kulchas, lassi, jalebi here. Once done, back to hotel and overnight stay at Amritsar. Day 2. On day 2, start with Baba Atal Tower. The structure is an architectural marvel with 9 octagonal stories. Then visit Khalsa College. With its elegant onion domes and scalloped archways, the entire architecture looks very stunning. Then go to Gobindgarh Fort. It's more than 250 years old. It's now an educational attraction dedicated to history and culture. Then visit the Durgiana Mandir. With its half gold, half marble, the dome structure looks almost identical to the Golden Temple. Then visit Central Sikh Museum, which houses paintings of Sikh gurus, saints, Sikh warriors and other Sikh leaders. Then visit Tarn Taran. It's a famous Gurudwara of Amritsar. The water body here is the largest among entire Amritsar. Then visit Akal Takht. It's a Sikh temple that represents one of the 5 seats of power in Sikhism. Then go to Jama Masjid of Amritsar, also known as Khairuddin Mosque. By evening, you can stroll around the Hall Bazaar of Amritsar. It's a shopper's paradise. Here you will get a lot of trendy accessories, fulkari, bangles, local handicrafts, traditional garments, etc. Once done, back to hotel and overnight stay at Amritsar. Day 3, back to your destination from Amritsar. This is how your entire trip will end here. Amritsar is a very small city. You can explore all the places by cycle rickshaw or auto rickshaw. Auto rickshaw will cost 1000 to 2000 rupees for 2 days. Free bus service is available from train station to Golden Temple. November to March is the best time to visit Amritsar when the weather is comparatively pleasant and ideal for sightseeing. You will get a lot of budget hotels at Amritsar. Price ranges between 700 to 1500 rupees. I have mentioned few good hotels below in the description box. It's mandatory for passengers arriving Amritsar to carry negative RT-PCR report from ICMR approved laboratory, or you need to carry vaccination certificate for both doses. all passengers must register on Kova Punjab app before commencing their journey. I have mentioned almost all details regarding a decent tour plan for Amritsar. If you want any other information, please leave your comment below in the comment section. So now this is the cost breakup for the entire tour plan. Hope this video is informative for you guys. We'll come back soon with next video. Stay safe, wear mask.